Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, like the video, make sure you drop a comment down below and share with all your friends. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so got them all organized. So we're going to start off with 0. Okay, so I'm going to let y'all see this. Ooh, can y'all tell? So this is what the nail look like. I think it is a little bit more tapered. It almost reminds me of the A-Press new sculpted extra longs. Sorry, I'm going to grab out this one. They aren't pre-etched, so I will say that. So here's a 0 and just the double X. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. Can y'all see that? There y'all go. And then here is the new sculpted. So the arch is definitely a lot higher. It's definitely more pinched. Let me back a background that y'all can actually like see. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Hopefully y'all can see this. Okay, so right here we have the traditional XXL, and on this side we have the new sculpted. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is definitely more pinched. I'll turn them both to the side so y'all can see what the side profile looks like. Yeah, so definitely the arch is a lot higher in these, which is really nice. Now, a 0 traditionally is, I want to say this one was too big for me. Yeah, it's too big for me, so we'll see if it's the same with this guy. No, actually the 0 fits pretty much spot on. So, I would say if you get this and you have really large nail beds, the 0, you know, is going to fit your girl. Alright, so let's check out some of the other ones and see how they fit. Alright, y'all. Let's zoom out because that's a little close. Alright, here y'all go. So, sorry, let me turn on the brightness. It's a little too much. Alright, so down here we have the new taper, and up here we have the XXL. Now, I know y'all noticed something right off the get-go. And yes, sis, these have an extra number. So if you have really small nail beds, sis, here you go. Now, the last 2 to 3 I'll probably never use. But if you do have smaller nail beds, it is nice because it gives you an option to fit into these nails. Now, these end off at 11. So it's 0 through 11, which is really 12 different sizes. Versus these that are 0 through 10, which is really 11 sizes. So, the sizes are not equal. So, if you fit into a 2 in the traditional XXLs, you will not fit into a 2 in the new tapered, stiletto, XXL, whatever the name, I forgot what it is, you guys. But you will not fit into them for the extremes. It's just, this is not happening. Let me show you. Ooh, y'all don't judge my nails, but I think about a 2 fits me in the traditional double. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, let me zoom out and show you guys. Okay, so here is the regular XXL, and it fits me sidewall to sidewall. Like, that's really good. Now, if I take the same chew in the tapered, oh no, that's putting a lot of pressure on there. It's not just gonna place it. I have to press it. And you don't want to press it when you're doing this because it's gonna cause your nail to pop off. Nobody wants a nail that's popping off. So this one, I would definitely say I'm probably gonna be the 0. Yeah, the 0, even the 0 kind of like puts a little extra tension there, but if you fit the 0 and the 0 is still a little snug, kind of like it is on me, I would just put a little bit of acetone on the back of the nail and flex it a little bit just so it can give, and that way it fits very nice on your nail bed. So that's how I do. I don't know if you guys can see the profile here. There you guys go. It's actually really, really nice. Ooh, you guys, my hands look so crusty on this. That's okay, because we about to do them. But yeah, as far as sizes go, no, as far as lengths go, it's pretty much the same exact length. There's nothing longer about this particular nail. I'll put these right here just so y'all can see a little bit better. I know it's so hard with the nails being clear, y'all. I apologize. Also, these are not etched either. So here's the 2. Let me zoom in, get you guys a little bit closer. Okay. Whoop. Can you guys see these 2? They're not a different length or anything like that. But, I mean, there you guys have it. So, all in all, I mean, these nails are pretty good. I did order the Après. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to set the camera back up. I did order the Après Gel X nails. And I did get those in, and I definitely have tried them, sis. Definitely tried them. I can't find them right now, but I'll put a video. Probably by the time you guys are seeing this, the video will either be up the same day or the very next day to show you guys the comparison between the Enailcouture Extreme Tapered nails versus the Après XX nails. And I got both of them, the stiletto and the coffin, so I'll be able to give you guys a thorough comparison. Now, let's go ahead and put, let's do this, because when I did the square ones, sis, they were way shorter. So I'm gonna compare the coffin ones to this. My coffins that I got in the standard XXL were fine. So I think that's just, I don't know. Listen, I don't know what they're doing over there. All I know is what I got, and it just wasn't what I was expecting. But you know. Also, I mean, the price point, you guys, always tell people, because they're like, I saw some people in some of the groups that I'm in, they're like, oh my god, they're $20, blah blah blah. I'm like, okay, well, the Après nails are $37 and some change. But you get what you pay for. Not saying that it's bad or anything like that. I'm just saying you get what you pay for. Like, the Après nails come inside of a box. They got their logo imprinted in them. Like, they have a certain reputation that they're gonna uphold, so they give you the extra. I mean, these you paying $20, you can get the box for about what, $3 and some change. So I mean, there you go. So I'm grabbing the 0 in the tapered coffin. So here, ooh, okay. So off the get-go, the tapered coffin is a lot larger than the tapered stiletto. So yes, sis, she's a biggie. But can y'all tell? Like, y'all see? Hold on, let me flip y'all around so y'all can see. I just needed y'all to like see. Like, ooh, this exposure. Oh, there y'all go. All right, now y'all can see. So tapered coffin, tapered stiletto. Y'all see that is a huge size difference. So let me fit this in my nail and tell y'all what's the real tea, sis. Okay, so tapered XXL. Oh yeah, see, the 0 is way too big, like way too big. So let me line them up and show y'all comparison with them as well. Alright, so you guys, let me zoom y'all in a little more. There y'all go. How we doing? Alright, so I have the nails here for you guys. So this top row here is going to be the tapered coffin. This one here is going to be the XXL stiletto. Sorry y'all, my phone's going off. So I feel like I'd probably be a 2 in this one. Yes. So also these feel a lot sturdier than the XXL. So for personal purposes, I'm definitely gonna suggest you use these tapereds. Like, hands down, they got it. Same thing with the tapered stilettos. There's 11 sizes. Now let me zoom y'all out. All right, so if you get wrong way. If y'all get these boxes, right, these boxes are not gonna fit. These boxes will only hold 11, okay? And there's technically 12 different sizes, so kind of keep that in mind, that this box is not gonna hold it. So what I'm doing is, because the 11s I probably won't use as often as I will the other ones, so I'm just gonna keep those, sorry y'all, keep those in their little individual baggies and just store them in another box and put labels on them, because that's pretty much, you know, all I can do. So there's that. So boom, you guys have the nails. Let's move on to the rest of what came in my goodie bag. Yes, here, let me slide these off.
If you like these videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, and make sure you like the video and share with all of your friends. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.